Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pineapple popsicles. You'll be surprised how few ingredients you need for this refreshing treat. This easy method ensures a perfect, icy snack every time, without any complicated steps. Get ready to enjoy a burst of tropical flavor that's both healthy and incredibly satisfying. It's a fantastic way to cool down on a warm day, and everyone will love them. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe, fresh pineapple, or if you prefer, 2 20-ounce cans of crushed pineapple, drained. We'll also use about a half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. For an extra zing, consider adding a small squeeze of fresh lime juice. That's all it takes to get started on these delightful popsicles. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Speaking of things that make life better, like these easy popsicles, let me tell you about something else fantastic. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. You can find the link to these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, blending. Place your pineapple, water, and chosen sweetener into a high-speed blender. Blend everything until the mixture is perfectly smooth, with no large chunks remaining. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once blended, carefully pour the vibrant pineapple mixture into your favorite popsicle molds, filling each one almost to the top. Leave a little space for expansion. Once your molds are filled, it's time to freeze them. After about 1 hour in the freezer, insert your popsicle sticks into the partially frozen mixture. This helps them stand upright. Continue freezing for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. To easily remove your frozen treats, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for a few seconds. Then, pull them out and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.